But, the main things are just really avoid second person language. Don't do you will, you're going to get, like you're going to lose 30 pounds. Like you can say, I lost 30 pounds. Like I always tell you, lean towards first person language. And also, you need to use
Oh,
a lens of like what's reasonable. The FDA has like rules about what's reasonable. Like you can't lose more than I think it's something like a pound a day or something like that. So if you're saying like I lost 50 pounds overnight, that kind of stuff is going to get you shut down. And so like you just got to find unique and creative ways to talk about big results without using specific time domains or without making specific claims to results.
okay.
Yeah, and so there's plenty of ways to do that. So, and even if you want to like go beyond being realistic, like don't go so exaggerated that it's literally unbelievable. And then if you're stretching the truth a little bit, like because you obviously want to get people's attention, like just find a way to say it that isn't saying it like you will lose 30 pounds in 5 days. Like, you just can't be that direct. So
That-
reasonable claims using first person stories. You can use AI to like fact check or not fact check, but like kind of gut check your claims. If you want to run your scripts through AI and ask like from an FDA compliance perspective or claims about, whatever health problem, like unbelievable or illegal or, whatever. But, if you know how to navigate compliance, it's really not an issue. But like think about it, it's almost like a recommendation. I did this thing, I had this problem, and then the viewer's thinking, "Oh, I also have that problem." And then you're saying, "And I was
yeah.
able to overcome it." Like I tried all these things that didn't work, and you're like, "Yeah, that sounds like me." You right? They self-identify, and then it gets around compliance because you're not
Instead
saying
of
like,
going, you can be like that and you can
"Yeah,
win.
yeah, are you having this problem? Did you try all of these things and they failed and it didn't work and you feel miserable because of it?" You should do this because you're going to get results. It's like, no, just talk about yourself and the person can self identify and then they feel better about themselves.
That's a very interesting thing that I found out today.